Hi guys, it's Sassy. Welcome to my channel. I just finished setting up a desk that I ordered online and it is a rising desk. I thought I would do a product review for you guys about it so you guys know what to expect. This is not a sponsored video. I just want to make sure you guys know that this is my honest and unbiased opinion. For me personally, I've been spending a lot of time sitting down on the computer and it's actually causing me neck pain and just my lower back starts to hurt. And I have put on a little bit of weight. If you guys go back to my other videos, my beginning videos, my face looks a lot slimmer, so I am actually also working on my fitness, but I feel like I have to help myself out with things that are sabotaging me. That's why I went ahead and got this. I will be making a lot of product reviews, so if you guys want to consider subscribing, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up so that I know it helped somebody and it gives me some feedback on how often people are watching this kind of video. The desk is called the Riser Desk and it is by Fancierstudio. And I bought it off of Amazon. It comes in a large cardboard box with these strong plastic straps, so it's easy to carry it in or have someone take it in for you because it is heavy. It's about 65 pounds heavy, so please be mindful to have someone help you lift it for sure. I have it standing up here to show you guys the height compared to my desk or my filing cabinet, which is 2 drawers deep only. And I should mention that the adjustable desk doesn't have its own legs. You have to place it on top of a desk that you already have. It comes well packaged inside thick styrofoam and it comes along with a user's guide. And I noticed that after I unwrapped it from the clear wrap, it had these tiger-like stripes. Well, it turns out that was grease from the hydraulic gears or whatever you guys want to call it. It's whatever makes it go up and down. It needs some sort of lubrication in the gears, and that's what that was. But I'm not too concerned about it because I can easily wipe that down with some soapy water on a cloth or something like that. It says to squeeze a lever to lift or lower, and that means to squeeze outward. This is a lever. You pull from here out on both sides, this side and that side, and it like lifts up. We give it a quick cleaning, get all those streaks and see how it does. So yeah, as you guys can tell, there's no streaks, no stripes, there's nothing, no residue left on there. What I like about this desk is that there's no assembly required. It has 10 different adjustable heights, so it doesn't matter how tall or short you are, it's gonna conform to your needs. And it has a working platform of 38 inches, which means you can easily fit 2 monitors, and that's really good for content creators. I really like that. Nothing is loose, nothing is wobbly, nothing is out of place. It's a really sturdy desk. I'm actually gonna get a spare keyboard because the laptop is a little bit far for me to reach comfortably. But I will be using this area to write. I think it's totally worth the investment, especially since I spent so much time sitting down. I hope this helped you guys gain some insight. Leave a question or a comment down below if you have any, and I'd be more than happy to reply. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Fendora out.